What's up everybody, it's your boy here, Abdul from Second One. So on this video guys of today, I got amazing kind of stuff for you if you like it. This is upon the Xiaomi RedMi Note 5. So if you didn't heard that Xiaomi, they're dropping down their devices and it's like whoa, everybody's like whoa, we're waiting for the Xiaomi because Xiaomi got something which is good. It's MUI. MUI looks like it's kind of like the way Samsung looks like. It's not a stock Android. They use their own kind of Android which they customize it and build it. Yeah, I don't need to explain that much. Xiaomi Mi Note 5. So Xiaomi Mi Note 5 has a 5.7-inch display. It has a 1080p display with something which is very good. It gives you a 12 megapixel camera with something which I thought it was very great for Xiaomi. And it have a 4000 mAh battery and it has an operating system of Android 7.1.2. So you won't get disappointed, but it's something which was frustrating me. It's a newer device. It's just on this month, so they're announcing it as the official device as soon as possible. Then they didn't even upgrade it on the terms of Android. I thought that it's just coming with Android 8. So I thought that whoa, Xiaomi, they're going for the MUI 10 because this is an MUI 9. So I think whenever the new Android, there's a newer MUI into that device. So these devices come with a flagship of storage which is 64 and 32. You all need to know this something guys. If you buy a 64 GB storage, you'll get a 4 GB of RAM on board. If you buy a 32 GB storage, you'll get a 3 GB of RAM on board. I don't know why did they just do it. They could just keep it 32 GB of storage, 4 GB RAM. 64 GB of storage, 4 GB RAM. If you're aiming for 4 GB RAM, you should just stick with the 4 GB RAM. There's no need of putting like 3 GB of RAM. You're like, okay, wow, what's that? What's that? Yeah, what's that? Yeah, what's that? Okay, this is a phone Xiaomi, and I'm like, whoa, this is the devices, and they're announcing it, and I thought that I should explain for you guys. So this kind of device, it's amazing, and they released some few images of it. I'll share with you guys, so as you can see, like this one here. So this is kind of which is amazing, and I thought that I should just throw not hands-on but an explanation on Xiaomi RedMi Note 5. So these are like my thoughts and my impression on this kind of device. So if we get it, we'll just put more videos and more explanation on it, because guys, I'm really sorry on this one. It's hard to get those kind of newer devices. It takes me a couple of months to the place where I'm living. In my country, getting a device like it's brand new, it's kind of hectic. So I just give an explanation so as you guys can get it ASAP. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very legit, because it's morning. If you find this video very legit, don't hesitate to drop a thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe on my channel, guys, it's your time to subscribe because it will be amazing. I'll be liking that, and it will be very amazing supporting your homeboy here. It will be very great. So thank you guys for watching once again, and I think I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.